Hey everybody, it's Jess at Summit RV. We have been so busy today, I have not had the opportunity to show you any campers because you've all been here. So thank you guys for everybody who's come out today. We are still here until 10 p.m. tonight and it is only 6 o'clock. So we have plenty of time for you guys to come out and enjoy the show. Go have some dinner and then come out here and hang out with us. I will show you around this little camper because I love it. This is brand new for 2018. This is the 2018 Coachmen Freedom Express Pilot. This is brand new for 2018. I am standing in a 20BHS, and something I really love about this floor plan is this little fireplace that you see behind me. This is set up to be super cozy and comfortable, but also give you all the amenities and features that you need for your family to be comfortable while you're camping. It has a lot of upgrades that other RVs in this size range do not have. I'm going to show you some things on the outside here. Let me turn you around here so we can go outside and look around. So here you're going to see this absolutely huge pass-through storage. You could fit a bicycle on its side, two of them side by side in there. There's also a table that straps up there and you can bring that out and use it outside. So that's extra there. It already has the power tongue jack installed, so that's an upgrade. This is a 3/4 front cap that, there we go, we're back now. Sorry about that. We have glitchy signal in here. So this has a 3/4 front cap that is gel coated, so you're not going to have to worry about damage or fading from the sun or cracking because it is gel coated. And it is 3/4 of the front cap, and then the bottom part has the diamond plate, so it's going to guard against rocks and things like that that you're going to encounter when you're driving down the road. This does have a power awning with LED light strip and marine grade speakers right here on the outside, so you can enjoy music outside. This has the Lion's Head tires. This is a single axle unit, and these are already filled with nitrogen. There is a hookup outside for cable TV, so you can have an extra outside TV, so you can enjoy everything outside. And as you can see, this is an aluminum structure with the Asdel composite panels, and these are great because they are way more durable than regular fiberglass. This is the couch. It actually sits up, but it's in bed mode right now. So this is an extra sleeping space. You could easily throw a couple kids on there. And all you do is just flip it up, grab the tip of it, and flip it down, and it's a couch again. So that's really easy. We have storage above the couch that is backlit. All of this is LED lighting, so it's not going to get hot. It's not going to burn you if you touch it. We do have a TV right here on a swing arm with some big cabinets over the bed. And everything underneath this bed that you see right here, this is storage. This table can go outside, but you actually can set this up right here in front of the couch. So you can have some place to eat and enjoy yourself. We have a little fireplace here that will heat this whole thing, which is great. You've got your indoor-outdoor stereo system, DVD player as well. And then you've got your kitchen here. We have a deep basin sink. We've got a silverware drawer right here. We have the microwave and a 2-burner cooktop that has a cutting board over top of it, so you have extra counter space. The cabinets are pretty deep. Here's the bunks. These are single bunks, but they're extra wide. And they do have blackout shades over the windows, so you can sleep comfortably. We have a 6 cubic foot refrigerator. So a nice big refrigerator. And then in the bathroom, we have a nice shower that you can stand up in with a skylight. And we have a medicine cabinet with a towel rack. So I have some storage there as well. So this is a great little RV. It's super lightweight. It's going to be towable by almost anything, so you don't have to stress about that. Under 4,000 pounds, definitely. It has the LED lighting, like I said. There is a spare tire kit. It does have the power awning and the LED light strip with the marine grade speakers. All of the windows are tinted safety glass, so it's going to help with insulation and heating, as well as it is going to be harder to break, and if you would break a window or something, it's safety glass, so it's not going to be like if it wasn't safety glass. And I think that we've covered. This is a carefree floor, so it's extra durable. It's meant for camping. We have the 2-burner cooktop and the silverware drawer and the 6 cubic foot refrigerator and the deep basin sink. And this butcher block that is over top of this 2-burner range is custom to this unit, so it fits perfectly. $8,000 on this camper. So definitely come in, check it out. This has everything that you need. This is perfect for a small family. You can even bring friends because you've got 2 extra sleeping spaces with this couch. And you also have a table so you can still have eating space. So come check it out. We're here till 10 p.m. tonight. We have popcorn and drinks and snacks, and we have plenty of people to help you and show you around. Everything's unlocked. You're free to browse. We have the lot lit up with big lights everywhere so you can see to get around, and we have lanterns that we can use to get you in campers and show you everything. All of our motorhomes are plugged up outside, or running outside out front, so you guys can check those out as well. We are giving away a $100 gift card this evening, and we are also still doing today is the last day. You need to bring in your brochure and check your numbers. You should have received it in the mail if you're a registered RV owner, and check your numbers and see if you've won a $1,000 prize. So I think that covers just about everything. Check out our new stuff in the parts store. We've got some great new camping gear, and we've got some t-shirts that are really cute. I think that I own every single one of them now, and I know that everybody that works here wants to own them all. So come check those out. Come see all the new floor plans. We have 34 RVs on display indoors, so you don't have to go outside if you don't want to, but we also have 300 outside. So check that out as well. And we will see you this evening, hopefully. Have your dinner, and then come hang out with us here at Summit RV. Thanks, everybody.